Hi everybody, this is Yayo and welcome to another episode of THRIFT. In this episode, we will be making a DIY summer tops. So in this transformation, I actually made use of this boring sweatshirt that I had. And out of this sweatshirt, we are actually going to make two tops. So what I'm doing here is I just placed it on a plain surface and then cut it at the center in half. And because we are going to make two tops, and at the bottom part we are making it a spaghetti top. So because it's a spaghetti top, then I made use of this old spaghetti top that I had as a template, just to have an idea of how wide I want my spaghetti top to be. So I just cut it like that, and because my fabric already has lines in it, then it's not hard for me to cut it straight. And because it's open, I just sew it together. And I actually made use of a very simple stitching pattern, just a back stitch, plain and simple. But if you have a sewing machine that you can use, then you can use it, of course. It's going to be a lot more easier and faster. But with my top, I don't have a sewing machine, so I made use of my hands and a very simple stitching pattern. This is how we're gonna look like, and just stitch it all the way to the bottom. After stitching, we are going to make the straps for our spaghetti top. And with the straps, I wanted to make use of the sleeves that I have with this sweatshirt. And so I just cut the sleeves off and then also cut it open. And for the straps, because I wanted slim, I just cut some strips on this fabric, maybe 1.5 centimeter wide. And then after cutting a strip out of this fabric, I just folded it in half and then stitch the open sides together. Make sure that you leave a hole at the center, because we are going to be using our safety pin to turn it inside out, just like what I'm doing here. It's not hard actually to turn it inside out. And voila, that is your strap. And just make another one of these so you can have two. And what I'm doing here is I am just attaching my straps to my spaghetti top. And if you want like a longer strap, you can do it. But because I want my chest area to be still covered by this spaghetti top, then I just made a shorter strap. And I just attach it with a very simple stitching pattern. And this is how my spaghetti top looks like after. It's cute and simple. And for our second top, I want it to be a haltered crop top. So my idea is to cut it diagonally at the sides, but I just cut off the sleeves first. And then after cutting the sleeves, I folded it in half, like so. And I just cut like a very simple slanting line. And voila, this is how it's gonna look like after. Because I find it really wide and big, I just got some fabric on the sides. I'm not scared of cutting fabrics from the sides because the fabric that I'm using is it's actually stretchable, it's stretchy. And after that, place your sides together. Make sure it's facing, the right sides are facing together. And after that, you're going to be stitching the sides. And it will look like this after. And oh, by the way guys, I also stitch the like the neckline of this top. I just folded it and then stitch it so that it can have a hole that the strap can go through. And at the back part, what I did here is I cut it at the center like this. Just cut it at the center, and with a safety pin and a long strap, I inserted it at the holes, and then this is how it's actually gonna look like. It's very cute, it's very simple, you can actually do it even if you're a beginner when it comes to stitching. So this is the top, and this is my before look. A plain and boring sweatshirt to a really cute spaghetti top, best for summer. So this spaghetti top is sexy but simple. And this is my second top. It's a haltered crop top, and this is how it's look like at the back. So yeah, it's so easy and you can do it, of course. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.